Good morning, I'm Thelisha Eaddy here at South Carolina Public Radio with these local headlines. For my job here at South Carolina Public Radio, I'm the local morning host for Morning Edition. I anchor, if you will, the local side of that national program.
And all of you football fans, the Carolina Panthers will move.
I love that I get to talk about what's happening in the upstate and then talk with someone about what's happening in the Low Country, in the PD region. And then I get to share it with all of the state.
This is South Carolina Public Radio.
I love my job. A day in my shoes. It's fast-paced and it's long, but it's a lot of fun. My day starts 4 in the morning. Actually, it starts earlier than that, to be honest. It's amazing how fast the time goes. So from 4:30 until about 7, 8 o'clock, it's researching stories, getting sound bites, writing, editing, voicing. I'm so glad Trident Technical College was there and the faculty in place were there to take me from where I was and give me so many different tools to add to my toolbox. It's like it pried open doors for me. It really did help me get to where I am today.
Here's a look at today's local headlines.
I like that it's fast-paced, so we get to talk about one thing and then we can switch to something else. So all of the different kitchen table topics that grips South Carolinians, we have the opportunity to delve into that and share it with the rest of the state, to educate folks about the state. When I come in here, I can't not do my best because I know there's so many people in South Carolina listening for their weather, listening for what happened at the State House. When I think about this job, it's like, Thelisha, you are a part of this bigger family, this Palmetto family. I really like it. It's so much fun.